too, and Isaiah is crying. That's Mom.
Isaiah.
Here's a toy of Isaiah. Oh, here's a little toy from that.
Hello, Grumpy.
That Pillow got from Isaiah.
That's a cool toy.
I'll give you another.
So this is Isaiah's room. It's kind of stinky. Let's look back here. I love it. I love a little boy's room. He's got a motorcycle clock up there from his daddy. And he's got...
Mommy!
Yeah, Isaiah's room.
And
here's his closet.
Isaiah's fart thingy.
All of his clothes. He has so many clothes.
Here's his 3-year-old bag.
Here's his bag.
This is his 3-year-old
His
bag.
toys.
This is Choo-Choo Train.
You want up? What's that, Isaiah? Is that your choo-choo train? Yeah. Good morning! Good morning! You want up? Okay.
You want to come eat some peanuts?
Let's go see your bathroom and then see your bedroom.
And here is my bathroom. 24 hours a day I brush my teeth. And look how many timers I have. 1, 2, 3.
My toothbrush.
Look.
Stuff. Cool. We haven't painted in here.
What?
I love the frogs. Maya picked that out. She decided she liked those.
These are frogs. And we're going to color my bathroom. What color am I going to color my bathroom?
We put it away.
I'm going to color it pretty.
Utility room. I don't think... Did we go? We did see that, huh? Let's look here, though. We have this cool... These shelves. This is a dog shelf.
This is my
It's
doggy shelf.
Maybe I shouldn't have showed you that.
Here's my dad's shelf.
So, here's Maya's room. And our linen closet, or shelf. Maya's room.
Here's my balloon.
There's the balloon.
Now it touches
She's got a
my
cool
balloon.
rug from Grandma Cindy.
Look.
And she's got a nice shelf here with toys and books and a little desk.
And I got a face piggy bank.
And she has her animals up here that Grandma Suzanne made.
Where?
Up on top.
Oh, there.
Yeah. And lots of butterflies. Dresser, guitar.
What?
Her bed and her calendar that she's learning the dates with. This is her morning schedule. We wrote a schedule out for her so she knows what to do in the morning to get ready for school. I don't know if you can see it.
I can see it. There's bed.
The first thing you do is make your bed and then eat breakfast. And then get dressed and fix your hair. Oh, brush your teeth is over there. Get your backpack, say a prayer.
And go.
And go. And this is where she keeps her backpack. So that's out into the living room. Let's go back here to my bedroom is the very last room. And that's our pictures. And this shelf is kind of a random bookshelf that we don't, every odd things get put here. This is our bedroom. This is our laundry corner over there.
Sorry, we can't open this.
And this is my craft area, or my project area. I haven't got to do anything in it yet, but I was really excited to get that table to put my stuff on. And this is full of craft stuff. And this is our study desk for when we study. And it looks really nice when you take this off. I love it. And our closet, it's full and it's a mess right now. But it's cool to be able to throw stuff in there and close the door. We have too much stuff. Too many clothes. And this is our bathroom, which is a mess because I don't clean it. Once in a while I do. Our shower. And the double sinks. Sergio was excited about that because he doesn't like to share. Okay, so that's our house. And someday I hope we get to come and see it. Isaiah, say bye-bye, Grandma. Isaiah, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.